Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to put image in center in Word. For this you need to click in the insert and click on the picture and click on this device and select the picture. For example, I select this picture and now click on this layout option and make sure it should be in front of text, and then click on the see more, and then in the position tab, in the horizontal tab alignment, you need to click on this alignment radio button and make it centered, and now set the vertical alignment to centered also, and now head to the size tab and set the height to absolute and type the full page height, for example 11 inch for a A4 paper, and set the width to the absolute and type the full page width, for example 8.5 inches, and then click OK to proceed, and here it is perfectly centered in the Word document. So this way you can easily put the image in center in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.